Good morning. This is Casey with 5 Tons with Guns. We're back with you today. Today is going to be the day that we do the 770 rounds of 9mm brass with the primers still in them. And we've already charged our crucible up with a tablespoonful of charcoal. And we're going to just pour this brass in here. Alright. 7 pounds. A full crucible. 770 rounds. Let's get started. Go out here and get everything running, and I'll be back in here. I want to cover some things while we're heating things up. If you'll follow me.
Keep it up. Really? Look like a retard. Thanks. Not done.
About 20 minutes. Still rolling? Okay. I wanted to cover some things about your fluxing, some safety things, and I've got a couple of books here. Now about the zinc, that smoke that you see coming off of the crucible after we pull the top off and get it ready to make more, that's the zinc burning off. Not very good for you. I know that I have had to weld galvanized metal before. I had no choice, and I had to do it. And the galvanization on galvanized metal, that is predominantly zinc. Now, David Gingery, in his book on his building a gas-powered furnace, that's what I've derived this one from. It's not exactly how he built it, but in his book back here, it says right here that the traditional remedy for zinc poisoning is to eat ice cream and drink lots of milk.